video. You gotta make them be on your channel.
Yeah,
Subscribe. Bing, bada, boom. No
I
cap,
didn't.
man.
I didn't.
Y'all better stop playing with yourself.
I didn't even
Y'all
know.
better
I
stop
didn't
playing with
know.
yourself.
I didn't know you can't smoke weed on live.
Well, not if you just, just rolling it up and just, nah, all that type shit. But shit, me, shit, hey, fire in the hole. You did. Fuck the dog. Fire in the hole.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man. It
I
depends
ain't know
on
that.
like some people be doing like them water bongs and shit like that. You can't do that shit. You know what I'm talking about? You can't just really just pull up a big ass bowl and just they be they get mad at that shit. They'll do it like this, they'll put in 18 up. That's
Oh,
how
okay.
they ain't gonna hit you with a strike. They'll put that video as for 18 and up. You know what I'm talking about? So they'll tell you it ain't no strike, but we just put your video as for 18 and up.
Bro, I gotta show you what they said,
Yeah.
bro. That
So
shit
like
is.
right now, if I start cussing up a motherfucking storm, they're gonna put this video as 18 and up.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, they didn't tell me a lot of time. You got a potty mouth. So I ain't getting a
Oh,
YouTube shit.
I do. Yeah. Oh, I do. I cuss them. I cuss them out every day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, shit, I'm not trying to get a YouTube chick, so what? Just put the bitch in 18 up. It ain't nothing. As long as you ain't
Yeah.
trying to strike me, I'm like, bitch, come on, man. Stop playing.
Yeah. I cuss them out
Yeah,
every
they'll
day,
tell you,
bro.
though. They'll tell you. Like, you get on there, you know how you be gaslighting and stuff, talking shit.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, they ain't gonna delete your video. They just move it up to 18 and up. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, yeah, they'll let you know.
Yeah. I posted. I posted. I posted earlier. I posted earlier. What it said. It said. It said. Hold on. I'm gonna go to it.
Yeah,
Nah, I was trying.
due to the violation of community guidelines, you have got a strike. Did they hit you with a 2 week or 1 week?
It don't say.
Wow, shit. Most on there tell your ass at the bottom. Probably. Oh, matter of fact, pull up your YouTube studio. Pull up
Okay.
your YouTube studio and then go into that account and it'll tell you. Oh yeah,
Mm.
YouTube. Like I tell you, YouTube Studio don't be bullshit. It'll tell you.
I got to show it to you, bro. Yeah. Cause I don't know too much about that shit. I was reading it, but it was like this is not a copyright. But your video has been removed through YouTube.
Your video, yeah, they didn't remove it, yep, because of that violation. So they might just hit you with probably. I don't think they probably hit you with a big one. They probably hit you with probably 1 week or something. But if they hit you with a 2 weeks, yeah, they hit you with a big daddy. A big daddy.
Yeah, nah, no, I never had no other stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but go to when you get to pull up your YouTube studio, pull it up, and then it'll go to that little bell at the top. And that little bell that's at the top, tap on that, and it'll tell you everything what the hell that happened. It'll
I'm
tell
about to
you
I'm about,
whoever
I'm about to
subscribed to you.
I'm about to tap
Yeah,
into it
man.
now.
Yeah, you gotta have a YouTube studio, man. They tell you everything. Shit, they will let you know. Yep, you sure did, buddy.
You sure did. What are you doing?
That's why
Okay.
once you said, when my girl told me, I said, oh shit. I said, now if they won't let you click on my live and it pop up, you cannot be eligible to go on nobody live because you got a strike. Yeah, they hit you with probably I don't know if they
Nah,
hit you probably with a
I,
1 week.
I don't mind showing it online. You know what I'm saying?
It is what it is. Yeah, live has been. Yeah, you can appeal it, but it ain't gonna do nothing. Once
Yeah,
they know you appeal it, they gonna come right back and say no.
yeah. They said no. Yeah, they said no. They took. Yeah,
Yeah, once you try to appeal it, they'll be quick with it. That's why I be like, I
yeah,
don't. I be like, okay, cool, no big deal.
yeah,
Hop on.
yeah. I lost that video. It's all good. I'm
You just learn from your mistakes. That's all, and just let whoever pop on your live let them know. Say, don't touch shit. Just
right.
look and talk.